If you have ever asked yourself how to turn your laptop computer into surveillance system, I have something for you. Here you can see just demonstration of Python web application designed with Flask framework. On the background we have a Python code which processes video streams, detects objects on that, save pictures on the hard drive, and simultaneously sends pictures to the Telegram chat bot. As you have noticed, it's possible to watch saved photos via web page. You see a frame around the car, it means like Python code process video stream and detect objects on that. You can put some basic settings into the application, set camera, start, restart, detections, application, and close it down at all. One interesting detail here is how your computer can process video stream, and you are lucky if you have NVIDIA graphic card with CUDA inbuilt possibilities. As you see on the video, GPU core takes load on itself. The next step is deploying this application on the NVIDIA Jetson Ori Nano board. As was expected, it has decent performance. Here you can watch how load is on GPU and CPU is here, and we can reduce it just closing down the web page. We can easily drop down up to 2 times load on the CPU and GPU. As I've got a multi-platform approach here, so we have the same code like on Windows and here on Linux, and absolutely the same possibilities, like enter as window, video streams, which you can set via buttons, cameras, and so on, and the same buttons which represent functionality on the background. Once upon the time, early in the morning when I woke up, I realized it was not enough pain in my ass. I went further with idea how to get my web page remotely, for example being at workplace or having my server at home. And here you just can watch a representation how this web page is depicted in the Internet Explorer of my mobile phone. As it works remotely, it's a little bit slower and loads these pictures too slowly as for me, but it's still possible to swipe and to take a look on it. But the most idea is here to get these pictures via Telegram Messenger. Functionality remains the same as we get the same web page via internet connection on the same server, nothing more. And finally we have got pictures in our Telegram chat. And no reason to deny, truth to be told, this web interface web page was developed with ChatGPT, as I never had experience with that.